In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export your favorites and bookmarks in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're transitioning to a new computer or just want a backup of your bookmarks, exporting and importing can be a seamless process. Let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about exporting your favorites. Begin by launching the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser. There you'll spot the favorites icon, which looks like a star with 3 horizontal lines. Give that a click. This is your gateway to managing all your bookmarks and favorites. Next, look for the 3 dots which represent more options, typically found nearby. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options available, you'll see Export Favorites. Go ahead and select that. Now the next step is to choose where you want to save the exported favorites file on your computer. This file will be in the HTML format, making it easily portable and importable across different browsers or devices. Navigate through your computer's directory to find the perfect spot, perhaps somewhere easy to remember like your desktop or a dedicated folder for browser files. Once you have a location picked out, click Save. And just like that, your favorites and bookmarks have been securely exported from Microsoft Edge. Now shifting gears to importing favorites, let's start again by launching the Microsoft Edge browser. As before, you'll want to click on the favorites icon located at the top right corner. Yes, that same star symbol with 3 lines. Once you've accessed the favorites, locate and click on those familiar 3 dots representing more options. This time, instead of exporting, select the Import Favorites option from the menu. At this stage, you'll need to select the source from which you wish to import your bookmarks. You might be pulling them from another browser or using the HTML file you just exported. If you're working with an HTML file, click Choose File. A window will pop up allowing you to navigate to where you saved your exported file. Find it, select it, and then proceed. Finally, to complete the process, click Import. Edge will automatically incorporate these bookmarks into its system, making them accessible just like your existing favorites. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to manage your bookmarks in Microsoft Edge. Exporting and importing your favorites can help you stay organized and make sure your essential links are always at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.